Welcome. If you want to set password on your applications in the Xiaomi Redmi 8A, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's go for the apps. Then enter the app lock. Click on the turn on. And right now we have to set up the protection password. You can change it right here. If you don't want a pattern, we can set the PIN password. But let's draw our pattern. Draw it one more time, click next. We don't want to sync into the Mi account. Click not now. And also I don't want to set up the face unlock. So right here we got all apps that we can lock. Maybe we can do this for the maps. So let's check what is going to happen right now when you are going to try to enter the maps. And yes, this application is protected. We have to input our log method to enter. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.